Hey, what's up everyone on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your trunk light in your 2013 to 2016 Dodge Dart. So what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, and your trunk light is right here, right behind these spring bars, and all you do is pry it from the side. You can actually just take it off like so. And so it might be difficult to see with this, but that bulb will have two little rings on the side, and so it's spring loaded. So we're gonna take off the old bulb and spring load this onto there. So I went ahead and released the housing from the clip, and here is actually the clip. So you click this in and it releases from the end right there. And so now we're going to remove this bulb, and the best way to do it is to push this towards the inside a little bit and release some of the tension, and then unhook the bulb. After pushing this spring-loaded connector here, you can see that the light bulb released. So now we can just slide it off the other loop, and here is the replacement we're going to use. Whenever you go to search for a LED bulb, you have to search for the light bulb number 567. So that's number 567. So we're going to be replacing our stock one, our stock 567 halogen bulb with a 12 SMD LED bulb. So installation, it's the exact same as the removal, but just opposite. So we're gonna hook up the loop here and then attach it to the front hook right there. When you go to install this, you have to make sure that the LEDs are facing outward, or downward I should say, because the housing is going to be clipped up like this, and so the light will shine into your trunk. So when you go to put this, you're going to actually do it the opposite way, and you have to just make sure that that it's clicked onto the hooks right there, and make sure that there's enough tension. And now you can go ahead and hook it up to your harness. Now that you're ready to install the housing, all you have to do is click it back into place like so, and as you can see, the LED bulb lights up, and just slide it back into place and click it up there, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.